Yo, we in John right here. What's going on, y'all? This is the second video that we doing, but you know, had to come through and cook up. Right here is basically when I just like I start to get the idea of what I'm trying to do, and it just starts to really come together. Like you'll see a lot of times, like when you're making a beat, like you start off with something trashy, and it just like changes. It's actually crazy. Oh, like it takes a. This is the turning point here. Yup. Yup. I ended up strumming it, but I ended up taking the guitar away, so I just go to a piano, and you'll see that. You can't even lie. You can't tell me that when you just hear this melody, something hard is about to happen, like something crazy. But and I tried putting some like top melody, but I'm like, nah, screw that. Just keep it simple. Yeah, I'm just whistling a little melody to myself. And that's something I suggest you guys do. Like when you're coming up with a melody, just think about it in your head. Just whistle whatever sounds best to you. And I've been doing that lately. Ironically, this melody I don't end up using in the final beat, but you'll see how it all comes together. This counter melody at least. This is a flute I like to use, but I haven't been using it a lot because I have some problems with it. But always I just put on some delay and reverb, and that John sounds hard. Oh, like oh my gosh, the delay just changed. Oh, that melody bangs. You're gonna see, man. This beat goes crazy. Like this is a beat a real rapper could use, man. And I just get so lucky with the bell I end up using. Like it's crazy. Like you ever just pick the right sound? That's the problem with me, man. Oh my gosh. Like, move. Jesus Christ. When I'm choosing my 808s, it can take me quite a long time. Why am I hot? My FL Studio about to crash right here. Yeah, it crashes right over here. Right here, I'm just EQing pretty much. Like, this is just EQing, just mastering, fixing it up, so if somebody did want to rap on it, they could. I'm gonna start uploading some more of these. I'm just, like, you have to get used to uploading videos. I'm usually a lazy person. Like, it took me a while to get my beat channel started up, but you know, we're gonna get this money this 2018, 2019. You already know what's going on. Hopefully I can get a sale too. But in all seriousness, guys, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you really want this beat, or if you happen to find this video and you want this beat, I'll put the link down in the description. You can DM me and all that jazz. DM me, and if you want, I upload on my other channel, so check for that. I don't have the premium beat star, so I can't post more than 10 beats, but we'll see what we do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace. Have a freaking fantastic day. Y'all know what's going on, bro. Y'all know what's going on, man. And piss.